Why is that thing even here?
To help.
Right, help.
Oh, thank you. This means so much. Why are you crying? The storm. I'm so scared.
It's okay, the robot is with us.
Thank you.
What happened to the lights? Okay, let's move. Follow the robot.
Is it safe?
Stay close, head for the exit. Affirmative, this way. They called him just a machine, but he was the only one who stayed calm enough to save